Okay, the last response I got to that issue with the forms not populating when you import a purchase order, the answer was that there's no problem with the code. There has to be, it's just not where you're looking. I don't know what else to tell you. If the program that we have works and then the program you've delivered doesn't, the only difference is you created the code in one and the other one was the original code. So I don't know what else to do other than to show you step by step, duplicating each and every step so that you can see the condition has to exist. So the first thing I'm going to do is create a test vendor, and I'm going to pick everything the same so you can't say there's something different. I'm going to select Danny Kong as the buyer, and I'm going to pull up a part number, and I'm going to pick FBB 179 4.5 by 5 652. Select. I'm going to type in 123 and I'm going to close. I'm going to save it 47121. Okay, I'm going to do those exact steps in our existing software. Okay, sorry I didn't log in. Just give it a second. Okay, purchase order. I'm going to go into purchase order and I'm going to pick the test vendor. Okay, I'm going to pick Danny Kong as the buyer, and I'm going to pick the FBB 179 5 by 4.5 652. Same part. Going to type 123, and I'm going to save it. So we're at the exact same spot in the program, exact same PO, completely duplicated. Okay, purchase order number, purchase order number. So I'm going to say okay, cancel, exit. Do the exact same thing. Okay, cancel, exit. Next step is I need to print and post the purchase order. Okay, I'm going to type in our PO number 47121, and I'm going to print. And I'm going to answer yes to the fact it printed properly. Okay, go into the other company. I'm going to type in 59345, which was our purchase order. And I'm going to print it. And then I'm going to answer yes that it printed correctly. So we're at the exact same steps. Now I need to receive it. So I'm going to type in the PO number, again, 47121. And I'm going to select it. Whoops, not supposed to. Okay, create receipt item, commit receipt, commit inventory now. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to put in our PO number 59345, and I'm even going to double click to where I have to close that. Create receipt item, commit, yes. So we're in the exact same spot, because I'm going to close this window and I'm going to close this window. Final step is, now that we've entered that PO and received it from the vendor, we need to pay their bill. So here we go. We go into data entry. So I'm going to do the exact same step. I'm going to go into data entry. I'm going to go into EnterVouchers. Now I'm going to cancel, and I'm going to click this folder. Okay, and I'm going to do the exact same thing here. I'm going to go into, where is it? EnterVouchers. Oops, I went into edit, not enter. Okay, EnterVouchers, cancel, and the little folder. So we're in exactly the same spot here. So I'm going to type in T for my test vendor. I'm going to go down and locate it. And I'm going to go down all the way to the bottom, 59345, that's the one. Click on See Detail, select. And this is where the two systems behave differently. And I don't know which step the problem comes, but you got my hinge, the part number, and the total price. So let's do that same step. I'm going to type T for test. I'm going to select my test vendor. I'm going to go down all the way to the bottom. There's my purchase order that we've been doing step by step in tandem. Select, and there you have it. No description, no material number, nothing's come in. So I don't know where the error is coming, but you just saw it with your own eyes. They're behaving differently.